My name is Shana James. I'm a printmaker with over 30 years experience as a practicing artist. I have designed a fabulous linocut workshop for you, held at the Ama Resort in Ubud Bali. I have run this workshop several times now, and I just love the beautiful grounds of the Ama Resort. It is the perfect place for an art workshop because the venue is set in 5 hectares of stunning gardens with a river running through the property. There is just inspiration everywhere. The workshop starts with time to sit and draw and time to plan your linocut from whatever it is that inspires you. Along with drawing tips and design strategies for linocut, I also go through different carving techniques, how to ink up for the best results, and printing both by hand and with a press. In past workshops, people have made diverse images, and this workshop is suitable for everyone, from absolute beginners who would like step-by-step instruction, to upskilling teachers wishing to diversify their skills, alongside experienced artists who are wanting to reconnect to their creative practice. This workshop is the complete package with delicious gourmet food beautifully prepared from local produce. Our accommodation is also located on the property, as well as 2 restaurants and 2 swimming pools. In addition to our linocut classes, there is also a free day and time to relax. So join us making linocuts in Ubud and start the year feeling inspired to reconnect with your creativity and return feeling completely rejuvenated.